Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change mouse double click speed in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button icon of Start, and then you need to go to Settings. And here you need to go to Devices, Bluetooth, Printers and Mouse Settings, and now from the left panel you need to select Mouse. Here you need to move your cursor to the right side and select Additional Mouse Options. And now mouse properties will be successfully displayed here. On default we will be on Buttons Options. We need to open this one tab if it wasn't selected, because here we can find double click speed settings. So you can here increase or decrease the speed of double click. For example, I will select this one speed and then I click apply button to save change. After that I click OK button and our mouse is ready to use with implemented change. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to support me and buy me coffee. Of course, you can do it by using link in description.